Step 5, sit back and track orders. Congratulations! We are now in the easy part. Now, as your order is being produced and shipped, Allpodi enables you to track every step easily in one page. From order receipt to completion, every milestone appears in a clean timeline. Order time, assigned to production time, approval time, and shipping time. Real-time notifications surface what matters, and overdue items bubble up so nothing slips. Shipping details and tracking attach automatically, and if you're connected through tools like ShipStation, tracking can sync back to your storefront for a seamless customer update. Open the timeline anytime for progress, and when delivery hits, the status flips to completed and you can close the loop with your customer. Create, connect, sell. Allpodi.